I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Now here search and select GetGist. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for API key. Please visit GetGist API console. Now go to Setting. Then click on API key under the setting. Copy this and paste it on authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Choose user type. Now map the fields. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to GetGist. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. Now let's go to the GetGist. Here is the data that came into GetGist through the integration. Thanks for watching.